Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 24th of June. Now let's look at what is buzzing. Going into market buzz, we're selecting commodities, and the commodities we'll be talking about today is the iron ore. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 83 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling negative towards the commodities, and the subjectivity is 40%, which means people are being rational. Now let's look at the trend analysis. In trend analysis, they're saying, the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may fall by 19.64%. That is a lot. And then going into the chart, they're saying short-term under pressure below 1220.50. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see the pivot point here, 1220.50. And also we can see the price is just around where the 20 days and 50 days moving average is. Now let's look at the comment section. In the comment section, they're saying the RSI is below 50 and the MACD is positive and below its signal line. The MACD must penetrate its zero line to expect further downside, and the price trading under both 20 days and 50 days moving average. So now we get it more clear. Below is a series of supports and resistances. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like and don't forget to follow our social media, YouTube and Facebook. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow and hope you have a happy trading day. Bye.